years ago today, in the midst of the Great Depression, Franklin Roosevelt signed Social Security into law, laying a cornerstone in the foundation of America's middle class and assuring generations of America's seniors that after a lifetime of hard work, they'd have a chance to retire with dignity. We have an obligation.
My essential commitment is building a middle-class income society, assuring educational, professional opportunities for the workers and for our immense youth population.
Мы также обсудили некоторые горячие точки планеты, в частности, ситуацию в Сирии.
And we discussed the importance of APEC and our common interest in assuring global growth and increased opportunity, business investment, commercial ties, and most importantly, job creation in both our countries.
And your words of support during the official talks and readiness to continue to support Tanzania in our development endeavors goes a long way to us assuring us in you and in the United States we have a true friend indeed. Mr. President.
And even though leaders don't always like it, the media plays a crucial role in assuring people that they have the proper information to evaluate the policies that their leaders are pursuing. So let me close by assuring you that there is no decision that I take more seriously than the use of military force. If the benefits of globalization accrue only to those at the very top, if our democracies seem incapable of assuring broad-based growth and opportunity for everyone, then people will push back out of anger or out of fear.